Here are the key features of the solar carport mounting system produced by Empery Solar. These graceful and smart-looking solar carport solutions offer a new and usable surface for energy harvesting, while also providing weather protection for cars and shaded areas for pedestrians. The modified system can also be used for solar roof sightseeing vehicles and boats, providing energy, shade, and protection from the elements for passengers at the same time. These come with versatile design possibilities for either landscape or portrait panel orientation, and they are suitable for both framed and unframed solar module accommodation. You also have the added advantage of customized foundation option fitting to cover a wide variety of site situations, including ground screw and concrete foundations. This particular model comes with factory pre-assembled cut and drilled system parts, which saves on installation time and cuts down on costs. Users have the possibility of customizing system parts, which eliminates the need for welding and cutting on the installation site. All system parts are quality checked and tested in the factory and are made from 6005 anodized aluminium T5 temper and 304 stainless steel, making these lightweight but durable and resilient to the elements and corrosion. These come with 20 years system design life and have a 5 to 15 degree system tilt angle and the option of customized system color, allowing you to choose the best fit for your installation site. Suitable for all terrain types due to high mechanical strength with a wind speed of up to 216 km an hour and a snow load of up to 142.9 kilograms per square meter, and all made from durable anti-corrosion materials to give you added peace of mind. The system is designed and calculated strictly according to Japanese JISC 8955-2011 standard, has an AS/NZS 1170 Australian certification, and the company has passed ISO 9001 International Quality Certification. Payments with these are TT, LC, and come with 10 years warranty for materials and structure. Qiaomen Empery Solar Machinery and Electronics is a professional provider of high-quality photovoltaic mounting systems in China. We can satisfy virtually all your needs in mounting solar panels, from small-scale residential applications to large industrial facilities.